In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged in to your account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear symbol. In the quick settings sidebar that appears, locate the theme section. Click View All to open the full gallery of themes. You should now see the Pick Your Theme window. Scroll until you find the solid color section, then click the black color tile since that's our main focus today. Wait a moment as it loads and applies the changes. As soon as you click the black theme, you'll see an instant preview of your Gmail background switching to dark mode. Once the black theme is selected, dark mode is now enabled on your Gmail account. If you ever change your mind and want to switch back to the default theme or choose a different style, simply repeat the same process. Click the settings gear icon again, go to theme, click view all, and select another theme of your choice. You can try it now and adjust it anytime based on your preference. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.